Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we will see how to set the absolute position for the elements. We can specify absolute positioning of the element via position property and value absolute. So in the previous video we saw how to use the position relative, and now let us look at the position absolute. In absolute position, the element will be positioned relative to its containing box or containing block. Right? Previously we saw that relative position. Relative means the position is relative to its position in normal flow. But here the absolute position means we will specify the position based on its containing block. For example, a paragraph can be positioned by its containing block div. So the origin will be top left corner of the div block. Like in previous example, we can use the box offset properties top, left, bottom, right to specify the position. Now we will specify absolute position for paragraph 3, which is contained inside the div tag. That means we will be continuing from our previous example. We use same 4 paragraph with some inline elements, and we will see how to position that using the div tag. So let's state that this is the div tag, and we will also assume that there are 3 paragraphs inside this div tag. So using the absolute position, we can specify the position based on the containing blocks origin 0, 0. From here we can specify the top and left and thereby position the paragraph. So using the div tag, you can even position the paragraph as you like just by specifying the top, left, bottom. For example, you can even go ahead with multi-column paragraphs, right? Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, 3, 4. Likewise, you can arrange a document in a multi-column way, because here you are using the div tag and you can specify the location top and left from this absolute location or from this containing blocks origin, right? This way you can position the elements. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Here we have the HTML ready, and we have our paragraphs also ready. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs, and if you see this time, this is the body tag. Body tag is the containing block for div tag, and div tag is the containing block for 4 paragraphs, and each paragraph is a containing tag for its italic elements, right? Italics are inline element. This is a paragraph, and paragraph is contained inside one more block level element. So P itself is a block level element and it is contained inside the div element. Now let's set div tag properties. So all this property you know by this time: border style solid, border color biscuit, width, border width 3 pixel, position is absolute, left 50 and top 75. Here we are specifying the absolute position for div tag. So it will be positioned based on the body. So body here is the entire document. So from top left you can see the paragraph will get adjusted. So it will move left 50 pixel, from top it will move 75 pixel. Now let us save the content and see how the div is moving. It will also set a border color. From there you can see the div tags location. Let's save this. And you see now the div tag is moved. Since entire black is moved, it's a containing element, I mean the 4 paragraph, that also got moved from the top left of the browser window, because here the absolute position is done based on the body. From body the entire div tag is moved. Since div tag is moved, the containing elements or the childrens of the div tag, all 4 paragraphs got moved. Since the paragraphs got moved, its inline elements also got moved. Now let's set absolute position for the paragraph. Let us set generalized property for all paragraph. Then we will set absolute position for third or fourth paragraph. First we will go ahead with the properties for the paragraph. So again, border style is solid, border color is blue, width is 3 pixel, I mean border width is 3 pixel, content width is 200 pixel, padding 10 pixel, and we gave background color for each paragraph. Let's save the content and you can see all 4 paragraph will get boxed, and you can see all 4 paragraph is placed inside this div black. So div is the outer shell, and you can see that because of the border color, and that contains 4 paragraph. Right, now let us set absolute position for one of the paragraph. Let us set a property for paragraph 4. Alright, paragraph 3 is already containing a class called 3. We will set absolute positioning for paragraph 3. Here if you say p.3, position is absolute, top minus 70 pixel. That means here we are going to position this paragraph. So the paragraph for now follows the relative position inside the div black. So it goes through the normal flow inside the div black, but the div black is positioned based on the absolute positioning. Now the third paragraph we are setting the absolute position. At present it is in normal flow, and that's where it is located at the mouse cursor location, whatever we are showing here. Now top minus 70 pixel, since position is absolute, its containing black is div from here minus 70. Paragraph 3 moves upward. Top minus 70 means it will move upward, plus 70 means it will move downward. So origin is here because of the absolute positioning, and containing element for the paragraph is div tag. So that's why we are stating the origin is at the current location or the cursor location, whatever you are seeing here. That's the div tag, right? From here minus 70, then left 100 pixel. So that means it may move somewhere here, the third paragraph. From here it will go and sit on top of the first one. Now let's save the content. And you can see where the third paragraph is located. Right, so this absolute positioning will be useful when you want to create a multi-column web page. So you can create an article web page that flows in 3 different columns. So paragraph 1, 2, 3 in one column, 4, 5, 6 in second column, 8, 9 in third column. Likewise, you can create multi-column document using this absolute positioning. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.